And I'm Hi, I'm Dakota, and I'm gonna be singing "Sound of Pulling Heaven Down" by Blue October, and I hope you like it. And it might be a little quiet because sucks. But anyways, where far away from here, saw stars that I could reach. Yeah, it was a midnight, a silent twilight. Fell down on the ocean beach. Yeah. I assemble all the sand that cover wedding beaches to build a castle so your mom would have a place to stay. Behind the water sliding down the hill where heaven reaches, land and time is left to float away. Yeah. Rest assured I have the key to every opening, to every wishing well that's deep enough to dream. I wanna show you just how fascinating kissing is when Earth collides with all the space between. Yeah, I'm reaching farther than I ever have before, leaving all who broke your heart upon the shore. I may be some sort of crazy, we may be some sort of crazy, but I swear on everything I have and more. So never look behind you, spooky people bring you down. The world is ending, there's a party by the bay. I'll swim in my suit and tie when I'm toasting to the way you put that smile upon my face. Yeah. Up the avenue and ride with me. The snow is jealous of the rain. Rain, make love like time and space is ending while the friending fades are luring away. You're putting it to shame. I'm reaching farther than I ever have before, leaving all who broke your heart upon the shore. I may be some sort of crazy, you may be some sort of crazy, but I swear on everything I have and more. Make the sound of pulling heaven down, brought the rain's romantic pour. Make the sound, make the sound of pulling heaven down. I'm reaching farther than I ever have before, leaving all who broke your heart upon shore. I may be some sort of crazy, we may be some sort of crazy, but I swear on everything I have and more, farther than I ever have before, leaving all who broke your heart upon shore. I may be some sort of crazy, we may be some sort of crazy, but I swear on everything I have and more. Thanks. I hope you guys liked it.